What are you washing your hair with? Rainwater this morning?
Waterless shampoo by Nilaqua.
So, we're getting a new roof today.
We are getting a new roof today.
Does that excite you?
It does actually. I am quite excited now. I looked online last night. Firstly, I want to say, for just the lid, because we're only missing the lid, right?
Yeah.
The entire skylight, you can buy, you know, including all the sides, the rims and everything, comes in a big pack. The most expensive that could be is €200. I found on eBay or something.
Okay.
The lid itself you can get for about €50.
Yeah.
And they're charging us €250. I think he's going to put an entire new one in.
The unit, a whole unit.
Yeah, I don't think they've got the exact same one, so they're going to put an entirely new unit in. So I don't think they're going to match.
Well, it won't matter.
I won't be bothered. I won't be bothered.
Yeah, that's obviously brittle, isn't it?
Yeah. I would like to thank everybody, though.
We would like to thank.
We would like to thank everybody who has sent donations. I mentioned on Facebook that as vent thing had blown off, and we received some donations and from his video yesterday. So thank you guys.
Yeah, thank you
so
very
much. It's really taken the pressure off this because we were really worrying about it, weren't we?
Yeah.
So thank you. Anyway, can I finish my hair, please?
Yeah, look at
me.
the cold.
Look at me.
Look at the cold coming out of your mouth. Just to show you our view this morning. Right outside the cemetery. We've parked here a few times now, haven't we, honey?
Yeah, in Kilrush, just on the outskirts.
It's such a beautiful view, especially when the sun sets and the sun rises.
Sun? Never see any sun around here.
It's now it looks like snow, honey. Are you feeling right up?
Yes, I think so. I feel like I'm in Wayne, I need to move van. Getting some top-ups on his phone today.
Yeah.
Hopefully. I've never ever topped my phone up. You know where you go into a shop and get a voucher? I've never ever done that in my life.
That prepay thing.
Yeah.
I'm sure they do.
I'm not happy, Mazzy.
Why?
So I wanted two piles of unlimited internet for a month. Give me 2 pieces of paper. What am I meant to do with them? Hello? Can anyone hear me? Doesn't do out. What a waste of money that was. I just hope that works.
Of course it will, silly. Right, let's go get this roof fixed. So we've just made a quick stop at Tesco's. Dan has to go in and get some oil for the engine. He has to top up. And we're just quickly uploading a video before we head off and get our new roof. And look, this is Tesco's car park, guys. This is what it's like in most of Ireland that we've been to anyway. You ain't got to fight for a space here. It's so good. And they have washing machine services down there. But I ain't got time for that today. So Tesco's haven't got the oil we need.
Well, I don't really understand what oil we need. I was reading what did it say? 5W30.
Something like that.
Parts synthetic. That's what I think we need, but they only had fully synthetic in there.
We've arrived.
Derek Walsh Camper Centre. That's what it's called. Just outside Limerick.
So we've arrived. We're just going to wait for the chap to fix it.
Yeah, said we can wait in reception, but come up with a better idea, haven't we?
Yeah.
There's some motorhomes for sale.
So we're going to do like maybe a little separate video and just have a ganders round them, shall we?
We'll have a quick look, just a quick look. I want to start with this one here.
Well, this will be a separate video, so get over and watch it.
But I have another idea.
Right.
We can change the one over the bed to our type skylight. Because we
Right.
have loads of room, there's nothing stopping us inside with the roof, and we can put the dome off.
So the one over our bed
at the
is
back
the same as...
is the
Same
yeah, they're all the
size.
same skylights like in it. But
Yeah.
what we can do is we can take the dome off that and fit it onto your bathroom one that's broken now,
Yeah.
and then we can put a new skylight in behind in your bedroom.
Right, so
Over
what will
the
the
bed.
one in the bedroom look like? Have you got...
Oh
shown
yeah.
So this is
Where the
ending
hole
up
at the
a bit
bathroom
more
ceiling
complicated.
is just for that exact one. That's the problem. CD, it'll be the same as that.
Same as that in our bedroom.
Yeah.
Sounds bedroom.
Yeah.
And
yeah.
it will have a slide. if
Oh
you
yeah,
want.
I can show you that there.
So it's going to be dark anyway. Yeah, that's fine.
Yeah.
That's
The
fine.
exact. They're the most used skylight.
It's not going to cost us any more or anything
No, it's
like
the
that.
same thing. It's just a matter of basically swap over the dome and then cut out the
Yeah.
skylight in the bedroom and put that one on.
Right, okay.
Yeah, no.
There's my poor baby getting fixed in the garage. Look at the length of this one, guys. This is private, we can't have a look at this one. That's huge. Doggies. Oh, they're lovely. Oh, I hear another one. Getting the kettle on then?
No, I'm just relaxing.
Oh, look at these dogs. It's quite good, though. You can help yourself to biscuits and tea and coffee.
Help yourself, that's the right word. Hurry up then.
Couldn't say no to a free coffee. Look, posh stuff, babe, posh stuff. We're not used to this, are we?
The thing with dogs is, all they want to do is cuddle me or bite me. And you never know which until you start cuddling them.
Let's test this new skylight. Woo! Right, so what we got then?
I'll tell you what we've got a fantastic...
Oh wow!
Look at that!
Oh, I can't see it properly on here.
It's so much better.
Oh, that's well good. Have we still got a fly screen?
We have, it's very stiff though, as it is.
Well, it's only because it's brand new, honey. Brand new!
And it's bigger and it's brighter and it's beautiful.
Yeah.
And it costs €250.
Right, so let's go back to the one that was getting fixed. So what's gone on here then?
So this one
Yeah.
is literally just replaced the roof,
The lid.
the lid.
Yeah.
What he hasn't done though, he hasn't put his net back on, so I'm going to have to put that
Yeah.
on. But it just slides in there, I think. And yeah, that's the same as it was.
You were just asking if that's a common problem, and he said yeah. He
Because
said
the
they get
sunlight,
brittle.
yeah, they get brittle to the plastic bits because of the sunlight and they just blow off. He says it happens all the time. Whenever they sell a new motorhome here, he says they always replace the sunroofs before they sell them.
Yeah.
Interesting.
Well, yes, it works. We're not going to get wet tonight. Yay! Are you happy now then, babe?
I'm happy now, yeah. But I do want to get some oil. That's playing on my mind with no oil in this. There is a garage coming up. If I can get some oil, I'll be able to sleep happy tonight.
Are we going to at least sleep warmer? Let's be honest, that was freezing.
Yeah,
okay
it's a
with
bit
that.
warmer than it was last night.
Yeah. And we only had to wait just over an hour for that, didn't we?
Less than an hour.
Yeah, that was so good. How are you, my lovely?
Yeah, I'm alright, thank you very much.
I see you got a beer.
I've got a beer.
Yeah.
Well, it's lager.
You feel relaxed?
Yeah, I'm feeling a lot better now. I'm tired, it's been a long day.
It has, yeah.
I'm feeling good, I'm feeling positive. I'm ready for a new start
Yeah.
with a new roof.
Yeah. And you're just doing a bit of editing, aren't you?
Yeah, you really have to, Mazzy, start
Yeah.
holding that steady when you're walking. You're like this, and you've got to think of yourself on like a, you've got to walk like that. Because people are noticing, I'm sure they are, because you're bouncing. And it's very hard to edit.
I have a bounce in my stride when I'm walking.
Well, so do I. But what you've got to do is walk
Yeah.
like that.
And you've been doing vlogging for 8 years. I haven't.
I'm just saying, if you want to become a good vlogger, you need to learn how to hold a camera.
Okay. Let's
But
put me in my place.
I'm not knocking you.
In the meantime, I'm making my lovely, lovely young man the Mexican he wanted. I didn't get round to cooking last night. You looking forward to your tea, darling?
Yeah, I am. I haven't had mince for a long time. I love mince. Anything with mince. And mince is like the ultimate meat for me. It's just like minced up meat, and I love meat.
Yeah.
That looks nice, Mazzy.
It's alright.
What are you having?
A cheese and ham chicken Kiev and a few chips.
That looks like a really nice Kiev. And I stupidly said I didn't want one of them yesterday, didn't I?
Well, there's another one in the oven.
No, I've got my own tea, but that does look nice. You tuck in.
I will, thank you.
Something else I forgot to tell you guys. Firstly, I'll just mention the Deep Digger Dan one. The BBC got in touch with me, saying they wanted me for a TV show, metal detecting TV show. I've done it before. I literally lost count at 50 different companies all around the world, TV companies, wanting a metal detecting show and wanted to know if I wanted to be in it. I actually went down to the BBC. I had a meeting with the head of Factual TV. It never happened, and that's about 4 years ago. So I decided there and then I'm never ever going to go on TV. I'm not interested anymore. Anyway,
where are we going?
We got an email the other day. We've never had one. Someone wanting us on TV.
Really?
Japanese TV. That says, can we use your clip from... Where were we?
Petrified Well. I remember what you're talking about now. I don't know where we was. In Scotland?
No, it was the Petrified Well. I don't think it was in Scotland, or it might have... I can't remember where it was. The Petrified Well. Anyway, this Japanese TV company says, can we use some of your video for a Japanese TV show?
Yeah.
I says, of course you can. Fill your boots. Fill your boots. So we're going to be on Japanese TV in April, so don't miss that one.
It's kind of like a science...
It's a science programme, yeah, but
Yeah.
it's like, you know what Japanese... Fun show. All Japanese shows are like audiences screaming and laughing their heads off and doing stupid giggly things. So how they're going to fit us into that, I don't know. Because we're very serious.
They're going to be laughing at us. That's what's going to happen. They're going to be laughing at us.
They won't laugh at us doing a serious documentary on a petrified well. I'll tell you where it was. It was in Harrogate. At Knaresborough. Can you remember? Mother Shipton's Cave. Yorkshire. No. So it's time for my tea. Chips and mayonnaise. And I've been looking forward to these all day, I really have. And I know Mazzy's gone to a lot of trouble with these. Oh, are you going to film me?
Yeah.
I need to open this. It's like little wraps. Oh, it's very soggy, Mazzy.
Well.
That's unpick-upable. I'm going to have to use a knife and fork. Yeah. Stick it on there. Look inside there, guys. Look at that. Oh, yeah, that's exactly what I were after. That's perfect, thank you.
You're welcome. Good.
You know what it reminds me of?
What?
You know when you go to one of them really posh Mexican restaurants?
Yeah.
And you buy something like this and it's like £40, right?
Mm-hmm.
Doesn't taste anything like that.
Oh.
It tastes like something my girlfriend's made in the van. It is beautiful. Thank you very much.
Oh, God, you're so cute. Enjoy, lovely.
So after a terrible day yesterday, we've managed to get his motorhome fixed today.
Yes.
We got a video on this morning by accident, which you watched yesterday probably. We've got another video made and coming on at 6 o'clock tonight, telling them about the disaster, which they've already watched.
And we can chat to you guys too, because we'll premiere that, won't we?
Yeah, but they've already done that. That was last night.
Oh, yeah.
I'm about to make tomorrow's video, which I'll have made ready for tomorrow night.
Yeah. Can't miss that one, guys.
So that means we can just relax now. We can enjoy tomorrow, knowing we're a day ahead and we're happy and we're back to normal. And everything's fantastic. So I've eaten well, I'm happy, you're happy.
Yeah.
Everything's back to normal. We love you all and we're going to try and get videos up every day from now on and back into the swing of it. The weather isn't going to beat us, is it?
We're not going to let it.
No, it can try and blow us roof off, but it won't stop us. It won't stop us. Thank you for watching, people. We love you all. Please join us again tomorrow. See you all later.
Yeah.
Bye-bye. Bye. Thanks for watching.
Please comment and hit the like button. That helps our channel grow.
If you like what you see, click here to subscribe. check out this other great video.
And if you really want to show your support, join the club, become a Patreon for extra videos and perks.
The more support we get, the more content we can give. We'll see you tomorrow
On
Travel Trolls TV.